Hey everybody, Maddie here with Backwoods Mindset. So, I had something coming in the mail that I think is going to help me out big time with my channel. Just being able to make things look a little different. But I'm going to show you. So, I have the Veeniix V11 drone. And today we're going to be unboxing it. I'm going to be showing it to you guys. And then on another video, I'll probably show you how it works. But with it raining today, I wanted to get this out. I received it on Tuesday. Been super excited about it, but I haven't had time to open it. So it's just been sitting here since Tuesday, but I wanted to show you guys what it comes with and what it looks like. And then we'll show you how it works another day. But this thing looks super cool and I'm really excited to open it. So the Veeniix V11, it's packaged great. It's got some plastic wrap like on the outside. I'm using a kitchen knife here. And remember kids, never use knives unless your parents give you permission or you have an adult there with you. But get this plastic off here. Comes off pretty easy. This, just feeling the way the box feels, it feels like it's packaged well. It was packaged well when it came. See, it's got the plastic wrap on it. And then, here we go with the box. Show you, the plastic wrap made it a little shiny, but it comes in a really nice box. It has the warnings in the back here in English and Spanish. Got all the information. It's got one more little tape thing here at the top to keep the box from opening. But I am so excited to get this open. I've always wanted a drone, never had one. So this is something new for me to learn and I'll be able to use in my videos. This is something that I'm extremely excited for when we get property, that I will be able to kind of like tour the property a little bit from above. Make things a little bit easier. All right, so opening the box here. So got the box open here, comes out, and then there's another bag inside of here. So there's like a case that it comes in, and there is a zippered bag. So this thing, I told you, this thing's packaged very nicely. And you open it up, and there is an awesome, it's just like my GoPro case, little carrying case for the Veeniix V11 drone. We're gonna open it up here. And I am going to show you what it comes with here. So it looks like there's lots of stuff in here. Let's flip the camera around and take a look. Okay, so here's the drone. It's a good sized drone. Very good. I'm gonna have to look at everything here, see how everything works. But there's the drone. Here is the remote control for it, which I'll have to figure, I'm gonna have to get the instructions out. We're gonna have to take a look at everything here, but that's a pretty neat looking remote control there. And then this looks like a battery, which there's already one battery on it. So the battery actually has a power button on it. And then I'm imagining up here, we've got, it feels like a book, probably some charging cords maybe. There's a lot of stuff. This is a big kit. So let's see here, get this open. So here's the user manual, flight guide and safety disclaimer. So here's some extra propellers it comes with. And this feels like charging cords. So there's a different kind of cords. It looks like to charge and for your phone. And then there's, let's see, there's another. This, I'm trying to get everything out here. Everything's packaged great though. This is very nice. Very nice. This is a landing pad. It looks, that's my guess. I haven't opened this yet. So, but that's what it looks like. So there's a little landing pad that comes with, once again, packaged very nicely. There you go. You got a little, there's an orange, there's a blue little landing pad. So that's pretty sweet. How this fold? Now I gotta figure out how to fold it. Boom, just like that. So we'll get this put back in this bag. I like to keep everything nice and neat and organized, so that's pretty cool. Get a little landing pad. We'll open this drone up here real quick and take a look at it. I'm really excited about this though. This is pretty cool. Once again, it's the Veeniix of V11. And it's, like I said, it is packaged fantastically. And it looks really nice. I'm just excited to see how all of this works. I'm sure the toggle switches are on here too. Oh, they're at the bottom. They're right on the bottom of the remote control. What is this? I don't know what this is. I'm gonna have to get the, like I said, I'm gonna have to get the instructions out here. But it has the buttons on here for speed. Looks like location. There's a video record, audio record. There's a little charging port on the bottom with the little toggle buttons. I'm imagining this is probably to put your phone in, but I don't want to break it, so we're gonna check the instructions and see how you open it up. And this is another battery in this package here. So you get 2 batteries with it. You get the drone, you get the remote control, and then you get all the charging cables, the extra propellers. Let's see how this opens up here. So this goes out like this. This goes out like this. There's a little clip that goes on top to keep them, I guess, from opening. And there you go. So that's how it opens. The battery comes off like that. This is where the pull the thing right off of it. So this is the cover that goes over the camera and the gimbal to protect it, so you can see it right there. This just slides on just like your other drones do. It goes right on, slides on, goes into place, and protects it. So, and I'm not actually sure what some of this is, but we're going to be going over everything, looking at everything. I just wanted to open this up real quick, kind of show you guys. So I'm really excited to give this a shot, see how it works. We'll get it all fired up. Nothing's charged, so I have to get everything all charged up here, figure out how everything kind of goes together and how everything works. But I'm really excited to see how this flies. This is pretty neat. So you're gonna have to stay tuned for the next video when we actually take it out after it gets charged up and we get it out flying. But we'll see you on the next one. Slime on, everybody. Love ya. See you later.